Hey, how's it going, guys? Assad here, and you're gonna learn about delete property method in handler object. So, what it does make a trap for a delete operator. So, let me show you. What we're gonna do is create const monster 1, and inside that we will use texture, and we will say scally, and we will create another, call it handler1, and what we're gonna do is delete property and target comma prop, and inside that we will use the if statement and prop in target, and what we're gonna do is, oh sorry about that, we don't use this. Inside that, what we're gonna do is delete target and it's an array, and inside that we will use the prop, take the prop in it and delete that. After that, what we're gonna do, use delete, oh sorry about that, we're gonna use log it on the console, use the backtick method and property say like property removed, like that. And what we're gonna do is use the $, and inside that use prop. When we're done with that, then we're gonna log it on a console, monster1.texture. if we see it, we're gonna see that it has a scally, and for some time we're gonna now is comment it out, and we will create a const and use proxy 1 and use the new operator for create the use the proxy constructor, pass as a monster1, and beside that we were gonna use handler1. When we're done with that, we will delete proxy 1.texture, and now when we do log it on a console, we will get undefined. So this is it, guys. Because we have used the console login here, we're gonna see that what it is deleted. It's deleted the texture, and what it does has undefined because it doesn't have anything. So it gonna delete that from here. So it's a trap for the delete operator. So hope you understand this, guys. If you had any question regarding this, just hit me on the comments. I'm gonna clarify your problems. So that's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.